Welcome back to the Website Design for Beginners series. In this video, we'll learn about headings, paragraphs, and links in HTML, the building blocks for formatting text on your web page. HTML provides 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6. H1 is the most important heading, usually used for page titles. H2 is for section headings. H3 to H6 are for smaller subsections. Here's an example. This is heading 1. This is heading 2. This is heading 3. Search engines also use headings to understand your page structure, so use them wisely. To write normal text, we use the P tag for paragraphs. Example. This is a paragraph in HTML. You can write multiple sentences here, P. Each P tag automatically adds spacing before and after the text. Links are created using the A tag, also called an anchor tag. You must include the href attribute, which is the URL you want to link to. Example. Ahref https www.google.com. Target salda blank, visit Google. Here, tref is the link, and target I blank makes it open in a new tab. This is how we connect different pages or websites together. So that's headings, paragraphs, and links in HTML. In the next video, we'll explore images and lists in HTML, which will make your pages more interactive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along with the full playlist.